Rio represents something kind of quite unique.
It's quite magical, actually. I'm in the middle of a forest. There's birds around me. It's overlooking the lagoon. I think it is a little bit of a paradise. Just driving up here, it's super calm, an oasis. I mean, it's super tranquil.
It has so much harmony. The house actually works with its environment.
Dear Osman, welcome to Rio de Janeiro. We hope you have an inspiring stay at this unique Jardim Botanico villa where you will conduct a fitting of your designs in this beautiful property above the city.
I really want to dress a generation of women. My style is really about garments which are a better version of yourself, but with a big, massive dose of fun and a sense of exoticism in them.
I'm working on my Spring 18 collection. The light in this space is amazing, actually. I think that's, when I was sketching, I think I felt that when I saw it on the dress, the way it bounced off. It makes everything glisten. The fittings were absolutely phenomenal, Slade. Not only is the house phenomenal, Guilherme was actually an inspiration as well. She made everything look super inspiring. And what I like about being in Rio is that it actually represents so much diversity. I think the house, the clothes, Giel, it just represented a great marriage, actually. Then I saved one piece to the last, and I think when she put it on, that was actually stupendous. I'd like to thank the owners for having me as a house guest. I think it's been a phenomenal experience. I very much admire their vision, and I think what they've managed to do in this space is create basically an oasis.
My clothes are party central. They're clothes to actually dance in, to have fun in. So, Rio nights, and this amazing view, and lots of fireworks.